Click on the link below to see price. Grecell Yeti 6000X. The Grecell Yeti 6000X has a battery life of 500 cycles. This means that it can hold a charge for 3 months at most, but it doesn't hold a full charge for as long as the Patriot 1800. The Grecell Yeti 6000X has 2 AC wall outlets, but not one of them is solar powered. That means it takes 14 hours to fully charge the Yeti from a wall socket. Despite the good reviews for the Grecell Yeti 6000X battery, there are many concerns about its battery life. The battery is only capable of 500 recharge cycles. It is also very heavy, 50 pounds, to be exact. It is hard to move around and cannot recharge in a single day, although it comes with a moving dolly for easy transport. Lastly, battery life is 500 cycles, but that's not too bad for a portable power station. Unlike most other solar generators, the Grecell Yeti 6000X has a much longer battery life than many others. The 6000X can recharge itself with 3 different mediums: solar, AC, and DC. You can also use it in your car, as its battery life is longer than many solar generators. It's best to charge the battery as much as possible, as this will ensure that it lasts a long time. The Grecell Yeti 6000X features a 2,000 watt AC inverter that can be connected to your home's breaker box. Considering that the average U.S. household uses about 30,000 Wh of electricity per day, the Grecell Yeti 6000X can power your home for at least 4 hours. That's plenty of time for most families to use solar panels, and it's worth noting that it's only 500 cycles long. The Yeti 6000X has more power than any other portable power station in the market. With 6,000 watt-hours of lithium power, it can run power-hungry electronics for days. Its 7 versatile ports, including 2 2000 watts AC ports, are enough to run any device you can think of, including essential circuits in your home. It's also capable of powering many different types of electronics. Another concern with the Yeti 6000X is its limited capacity. While the Yeti 6000X has a 2,000 watt continuous power capacity, it doesn't have a high-power inverter. In fact, it's a lot more expensive than the cheaper Yeti X models. But it's hard to believe that a small power bank can be as efficient as an RV. It takes 14 hours to charge from a wall socket. A Tesla Model S battery can take up to 8 hours to recharge from almost empty. The Tesla Model X is slower to recharge, but can reach 80% charge in 1 hour. Click on the link below to see price.